Okay, so I'm sure we are recording. Alright guys, this is probably my second vid for the day. For the first one, yeah, I'm sorry for that following me. This is the best you've ever seen. I'm gonna see how to fix that, so please don't be mad if you guys do see this and is like, what the hell is this? So, this is just, since we're not doing much, it's gonna be my second vid. I'm gonna show you guys how great I am at racing cars, because I'm horrible at this game. Like I said in the previous video, I am legit garbage, okay? I don't do those perfect launch things. I just race. I think it just kind of ruins the game a little bit. But you know, it's all up to those people that just like to do them perfect jobs, perfect launches, everything, dude. But watch it. We're gonna race some random. I'm not racing. What the hell is this nigga doing? I literally joined in an 11-second car, and we got a Zonda in here doing pinks. What the hell is wrong with that guy? He's on my friend's list too. Where's Zonda over here? Oh, these are not 11-second Zondas. I know that for damn sure. But we're just gonna challenge some random dude or girl. I don't know what that is. You have to know his name. Is he gonna race with me? He's probably gonna beat me either way, so I don't really mind. I just want to show you guys, you know, a little bit more stuff before I end this video in 30 seconds in. You know. Okay, well, we got Chicken, because he senses what a great racer I am. Let's go with Cringe Kid right here, 4 for 4. Let's race him. I have no way to like race this Viper and win, because he knows, you know, how beast I am at this game. It's me. I'll tell you guys about the name later. It's some of my friends came up with it. It's kind of a funny story. Maybe I'll do that little story vid. Let's race this guy. Damn, the one time I want to get some races and no one wants to race me. That's pretty hilarious. Not gonna lie. Alright, there you go. Alright, this car is pretty much... Oh god, see how good I am? See, I'm just the best. I am the best. Also, I'm not doing this, you know, for really anything. I'm just doing this to have a little fun, and you know, maybe I'll start from here and then, you know, see the progression of my account as it goes. But that's the end for this right now. I'll hit y'all up later.